Serengeti, every day is a battle, every moment a chance. Predator and prey, forever connected in the circle of life.
In the heart of East Africa lies a land untouched by time, a place where life and survival move in a delicate balance. Welcome to the Serengeti, where every sunrise tells a story and every shadow hides a hunter.
The plains are home to thousands of plain zebras, strong, alert, and always on guard. Their stripes may confuse predators, but in this land,
the pride feeds, strengthening the next generation. For the cubs, this meal means survival, growth, and a future in the unforgiving savanna.
In the wild, survival is never guaranteed. Today, the lions succeed. A life taken to sustain.
Hunting is not chaos. It is strategy. Each lioness takes her position, surrounding the herd, waiting for the perfect moment.
In an instant, the silence shatters. The hunt begins. Speed against instinct, power against survival.
Here in the Serengeti, every day is a battle, every moment a chance. Predator and prey, forever connected in the circle of life.